You know we don't do screens before school.
He took his diaper off!
Oh!
One at a time, dudes.
He took my sable because it's mine!
You get to sleep at your daddy's house tonight, and Mommy gets some alone time. I know this is kind of last minute. We like to do these fun mom dinners. Wow, yeah, that would be really nice.
Hi, ladies.
Be okay if I invited Kate? Kate doesn't usually do stuff with us other moms.
Seriously?
I'm babysitting tonight, so you can go out and have fun.
It's not babysitting when they're your kids. I'm sorry, I didn't want to come alone. My life revolves around kids. I just wanted a night. I need it.
Okay.
What should we talk about, Kate?
What can I say? I'm mommed out. Melanie, I'm sorry. I know you don't like me.
My problem with you is that you walk around like you're too good.
You took my phone yesterday.
You were texting and driving.
I was buying milk. A mother can never run out of milk.
You know, order me a scotch. 3 fingers, 1 cube.
Moms, you're on.
Yeah.
Anything you want, we've got it. If we don't have it, we'll grow it.
We should set them up with our selection of stuff that's for mothers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be cool if you didn't say anything, just because it's, you know, it's very illegal.
Sounds good.
Guess I'll take a little puff.
This is about having fun tonight.
I gotta text my hubby.
Oh, good idea. I'll text Andrew and he can tell Tom.
Guys, we're locked out until Mom gets home. But the good news is, got candy. Lots of candy.
Where's Luke? He was here with my friend. Where'd they go?
Well, where does he live?
I can't.
Where does he live?
Can't say!
Dude, this is not good.
Never have I ever had real mom friends.